Whole case display. Cut off the packing tape. Remove the fixing screws. Remove wooden box. Machine accessories display. Remove the fixing screws of the body. Remove the lift lever fixed to the bottom plate. Insert the lift lever into the hole at the bottom of the machine. Remove the printer. Remove the fixing screws of the accessories. Remove fixing screws of beam. Insert the beam into the card slots on both sides of the machine leg. Fix the beam screws. Machine leg plate display. Fix the lower waste ink barrel bracket. Fix the right leg plate. Fix the upper waste ink barrel bracket. Install L left media feeding unit bracket. Install our right media feeding unit bracket. Install media feeding unit. Fix media feeding unit bracket screws. Remove the bottom bracket of the machine. Align the machine with the leg locating pin. Fix the machine leg with the screws. Prepare to install the media take-up unit. Remove the fixing screw of media take-up unit. Remove the media take-up unit head, lift the media take-up unit and fix it again. Remove the secure media feeding unit screws. Install the media feeding unit and secure the screws. Remove the dryer bracket fixing screw. Install left dryer bracket and fix screws, same for right. Dryer accessories display. Remove the dryer set screw. Install dryer and secure screws. Fix the dryer bracket to the outside. Install dryer control box bracket. Fixed dryer control box. Connect the dryer signal lines and the power lines. Fixed dryer line. Place the waste ink bucket. Install computer bracket and display screen bracket. Fix the display bracket screws. Install the computer host bracket. Install the keyboard bracket. Prepare the original sublimation ink. Turn on the ink alarm. Add ink and open throttle. Check the platform for foreign bodies. Remove the carriage fixing bracket. Check the raster. Turn on the leakage protector. Turn on the machine power, check the carriage initialization action. Remove the protective cover of the data cable of the printhead. Install printhead washer. Insert the printhead according to the data cable sign. Prepare to paste the insulating tape. Seal the connection between the data cable and the printhead with insulation tape. Remove the printhead fixing screws. Fix printhead screw. Prepare to install ink damper bracket. Load the ink damper into the ink damper bracket. Insert the ink tube into the ink damper according to CYMK from left to right. Use a syringe to draw ink into the ink damper. Install feeder software. Connect the computer and the printer with a network cable. Turn on the machine power, check the carriage initialization action. Install the ink. Click the Clean button on the printer to clean the printhead. Install the material by clamping it in the middle of the media feeding. Fix the media feeding unit. Lift the handle so that the material passes through the platform and lower the handle. Install the media take-up tube. Fix the media take-up unit. Fix the material to the media take-up tube. Insert the power supply to the media take-up unit. Turn on the media take-up unit switch. Fix the clamp. Open the nozzle check. Print vertical alignment. Adjust the physical position of print head. Print nozzle inspection. Adjust the front and rear physical positions of print heads. The best condition is that the joint places of printhead 2 and printhead 3 do not overlap and have no space. Print step calibration. Debug the best state based on 0. Position 0 is optimal. Print bidirectional calibration. Debug the best state based on 0. Position 0 is optimal. Print level calibration RL. Debug the best state based on 0. Position 0 is optimal. LR is calibrated in the same way. Adjust dryer temperature and wind speed. Clamshell of fixed carriage. Feeder FD5193E head installation and alignment completed.